With the weather taking a turn for the worse, our batteries dying, and our food bags nearly empty, we took a chance on the only open hotel in the area, despite its questionable signage and remote location.
I really hope it exists.
The remote retreat turned out to be the life's work of the pharmacist from the nearest village, and we had it all to ourselves.
Goodbye, beautiful hotel.
The next morning, we continued our trek over the mountains of the Italian island of Sardinia.
We had no idea before we picked this route that it happens to be a very popular motorcycle loop.
It's just like we're in a motorcycle theme park or something, and no one told us.
Heh, suckers. We've been eating our lunch in this little park, and all of a sudden a man appeared over that railing and said a bunch of things, I think in Italian or Sardinian, but one of the words was Veno. And we were like, we don't speak Italian. He was like, Veno. So Chris just followed him somewhere. I don't know where.
The person who offered us wine, I think he makes his own, was uncorking a cask to share some with a friend who only comes to visit every now and then, and wanted to pour us a glass.
That's so nice.
We've reached the bottom.
How's that wine treating you now? All these little hearts have love sayings on them.
Okay, so your thing says go up that.
Oh.
Central Sardinia is a blue zone, which means a high percentage of people live to a healthy 100 years old. Diet and tight-knit communities play a part, as does the fact that there's hardly any flat ground to be found. Hiking up and down these hills is just a part of daily life.
Here we are, bike touring Sardinia. We just heard a roll of thunder as we approached the top of this climb. And there's this stone building without a door that we get to check out now. Stay out of the rain for at least a second.
It smells bad.
Quite. Those are suddenly big raindrops, and they're getting bigger. I don't know. Can we just lift up one of the...
Yeah, we are crazy. Go faster. Fountain of Kaku.
Yeah, but maybe at the bus stop. It's the train station, and it actually looks like an actual train stop. Maybe there's something there. Not much. There's more of an overhang if we want to just duck under the railing. Yeah, we opened that gate and came through. Well, where are you hiding those pistachio cookies?
Ooh.
There's 3.
I know, so it's hard to share. Remember when we were laughing about the weather forecast and how it said 80% chance of rain at like 3 and then 0% chance of rain at 4 and then 80% chance of rain at like 5?
Well, nailed it. Down for a minute before we go back up. Cool bridge.
Okay, now we go up forever.
Yep.
Cool. Wow, look at this! Wow. Wow.
What?
Too fast.
Yeah. Too fast.
One of the challenges of bike touring in Italy is the afternoon break. Don't get us wrong, taking a giant break in the middle of the day is definitely our jam, but the timing of things makes it hard to make last-minute decisions on food and camping. Many places of business, including markets and restaurants and hotels, close between 12 and 5 or 6 or 7 or even 8 p.m. If we don't carry a full day of food up these steep hills, we're left scrambling to find a market and a place to sleep before dark.
Market and or hotel or both.
And we learned that the hotels in the interior of the island aren't really set up for walk-ins in May.
Is that a pizza truck that's opening? No. Maybe? Is it? I don't know. What is open?
Aperto.
Aperto? Aperto.
È aperto? Is it open?
È aperto?
Fra un po', alle 7.
Ah, alla 7.
Mercato?
Mercato? C'è un negozietto su nella strada principale. Quella principale. Quella l'alta.
Okay, the higher road.
C'è un negozietto.
Okay.
Mercato piccolo piccolo.
Okay. Grazie.
Grazie.
Very small.
Look at you cycling this impossible hill. Buonasera.
C'è un mercato? No. Cosa sai? Okay.
Mangiare?
This guy is pointing to the convenience store, which we passed twice because it didn't have a sign.
Pizza.
Oh, pizza.
Pizza?
Okay.
When we finally found it, we were able to pick up enough food for dinner at camp.
Goodbye, Sisai. We've got like 2 hours before it gets dark. So hopefully we can find a single flat piece of ground in these mountains. Gotta carry that speed. Oh, okay. Aw, man. No. Oh my god. My legs are like, what? Again?
They float if I help them. Look, it's floating. I think it's time to eat them.
What are you doing?
I'm looking at the fun we're gonna have tomorrow and the fun we had today.
Can you tell me about tomorrow?
Tomorrow, 3,000 feet of climbing over 55 kilometers.
We did 3,300 today, over 40 something.
Over 40 even.
And then we have more kilometers,
So we're gonna do
and we're doing
300 feet less. We drop 5,000 feet tomorrow.
that'll be fun.
About 3,000 of that in one go.
Cool. See you tomorrow.